Just listen to that. She's so vicious now and I love it. But let's get riding. What up, everybody? We're out here, we're mobbing. If you watched my last video, then you probably know what this video is going to be about. I think I unlocked the wheelie secret of the Tuttio. Low volts, all the fun, only $100. You'll wheelie, you'll stunt, you'll get it down. So today, the mod we're talking about on my pretty stock Tuttio, I have the upgraded 60 volt 24 amp hour battery. We talked about that in the last video. We did a mini range test on that. But in this video, we're talking all about our sprocket. So I went over to Electron & Co. They have the 65-tooth sprocket. The stock one for the Tuttio is a, what is it? A 60-tooth. So we went up 5 teeth in the rear. If you know anything about motorcycles, all that stuff, that means more torque. More torque means better freaking wheelies. So we're going to ride around this thing. We're going to talk about the new sprocket. Definitely going to try and do some wheelies with this new sprocket because the Tuttio is notorious for, until you start dumping a lot of money into it, having a really hard time getting it up. But this sprocket is like the Viagra for the Tuttio because it gets it up all the time. So let's hop on the bike, let's ride. Don't know how long this video is going to be. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to do all those things so I can keep dropping content on the Tuttio and my other bikes, e-bikes, motorcycles, drones, all the fun things we have on this channel. Let's get into it. Peace out. Or not peace out. Okay, we're off. I'm not too sure why I decided to start this video in a field, but I did. So, we're just gonna say off the back, 65 tooth sprocket on the Tuttio is freaking awesome. Oop. So, okay. I upgraded my rear sprocket to the 65 tooth. As you guys may guess, it's a lot more torquey. Usually after 10 miles an hour, even with the tune that I have listed in my battery video, that's like 2 Tuttio videos ago. Let's go to this spot first, get a feel for it before we go to the big lot. But yeah, so even at 15 miles an hour, she's still just like torquey. I could honestly probably pop it up still around 20. Let's see. Maybe not so much around 20, but it at least tries. I remember in my last video I was saying, probably not my last one, but maybe my last one, one of them. Make sure you go and watch all the Tuttio videos. I need those watch hours. Also, don't forget to check out the links down below in the description. They really help out the channel so I can keep buying stupid stuff like a giant oversized 2 sprocket. But yeah, you can see like there's so much torque on this thing right now. We could honestly probably just stop. So we're not going to do, ooh, nose is itchy. We're not going to do any pop-up. We're just going to lean back and give it gas. And I'm pretty sure it'll just wheelie. So no pop, just back. Yep, it'll wheelie. Just, and for reference, I'm like 160, 170 pounds, and it'll pop up every time. Just whoop, no bounce, just, it's actually, can I just keep my feet down and, ooh, ooh. Yeah, so, I looked really dorky doing that, but it'll do it. Can I do it with my feet on it? Let's see, lean all the way back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yep, it'll do it. So yeah, under 10 miles an hour, no pop-up required. Whatsoever. It's kind of nice. Also, closer towards the end of the video, we'll do a little speed run because the acceleration has also gotten a really nice a really nice uptick, if you can't tell by just sitting here doing the pop-uppies. Alright, we'll do one more lap and we'll get to mobbing. Because I am kind of curious. So one thing I will say, if you guys have not upgraded your guys' seat cover, make sure you do that. I'm going to go ahead and order one of those tonight. I'll probably just get one off of Amazon and cut it down to the right size for the Tuttio. And if you guys would like to know whichever one I buy, I will link it down below in the description. But yeah, dude, this thing is like so torquey right now. It's like actually kind of awesome. Ooh-wee. Like, wheeling this thing now, it'll actually just, if you give it enough throttle, it'll pick the bike up. Like, can I, what happens if I drag my feet? Nope, can't drag my feet. Do one foot down. I'm also still not good at wheeling this bike. It's also because I am a little bit taller. Ooh-wee, let's not do that. This might make knee knockers like maybe a little bit more feasible. Maybe not. I'm kind of really high up here when I do this. Kind of sketchy. Let's go in the, whoa-wee. Yeah, so like I was saying, torquey little motherfucker. I probably should not do this on video. Yeah, we're gonna do that in private later, and I'll let you know how that goes. But the thing we do actually care about is the acceleration. Oh, look at that guy. He's on something. I don't think I can hear it. I don't know if it's gas or if it's electric. I'm gonna assume it's probably gas, but I got headphones and crap on and I don't feel like chasing him right now. But yeah, so 65.2 sprocket. Let's do a little stop real quick. Let me just walk you through the install. So one thing you guys may be curious about, how hard was the install? I'll rate it a 2 out of 5. I mean, it's a super basic install. The stock chain is going to have one of these little clips on it. You're going to break that clip, take the old chain off, just pull the wheel. I did notice from the factory that my tensioners were a little bit off. So I had to fix those up, just even them out a little bit. But aside from that, really easy. Make sure you put thread locker on everything. I do have to go back in and re-grease my axle because I did not do that. But I might swap out my tires soon, or I might just keep this like a little off-road menace. And I just got a basic chain for the time being. No fancy O-ring chain or anything like that. But it was a super simple install. Yeah, it did not take much time whatsoever. But yeah, I think it's almost time for me to start actually working on this bike, because I keep messing around with it, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, so we have probably closer to 6 miles on this ride so far, and the battery's still super freaking torquey. We'll probably mess around, do some wheelies, and then ooh, yo. Ooh-wee. That certainly took it out of your boy. I'm tired as hell now. Like, wow, yeah. Had a gnarly wipeout, it's always fun. You guys may get to see that, or that might just have to be a short you have to go and watch later, because, you know, We need all those views though. But as promised, we're gonna go ahead and get you guys just a top speed acceleration run. I feel like if I was like a foot shorter, I would wheelie the living life out of this thing. Let's go. Whee! Yeah, so let's go get that top speed for run for you guys. Man, this thing, 60 volt battery, bigger sprocket, freaking amazing. Ooh, got pretty far back on that one. We'll go this way. I really hope the audio for this video comes out well, cause she screams so bad. Okay, these people are about to hate me, so we're gonna do this quick, starting at 0 miles an hour, and we're gonna go until we hit top. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Full bore, throttle's wide open. I mean, 30, 36, already hit 40, 42, 43, 44, and we're topping out about 45. But man, if you watch my other videos and watch me accelerate with the Tuttio, you'll know. That's kind of freaking awesome. Let's go ahead, speed back up the road. I do think we're gonna get a GPS phone mount, just so that we can like have one device getting all of our speed readings for all of our bikes. But yeah, she eats now. And if you have even like perfect, like this road was like slightly sloped upwards. If this road was perfectly straight, dude, like we'd probably hit 47, 48. Like that extra torque really gives her the push she needs to get like a little bit to those higher speeds. But I gotta record a short, and you guys gotta go check out the links down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys have a nice day, night, whatever. Hopefully you guys, this has helped you be a little bit more educated towards the 65.2 sprocket for the Tuttio. If you're looking to wheelie, it's definitely something I'd highly recommend you guys go ahead and check out. There will be a lot more content with this bike now that I have this sprocket, because it's actually kind of fun. But yeah, peace out.